Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Xprinter C230 and C260K printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you where you can download the driver and which driver you will require. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to right click on it and click on extract to. It will create a folder on the same location where you have downloaded this file, like this. And you just need to open up. And here are the driver files. You need to go to Windows. This is the driver file. You just need to double click on that. If it is asking for permission, please click on yes. Check this box, I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Click on next again. Check this box, create a desktop shortcut when it install. So please click on next again. Click on next install. It is installing the driver, so please wait. Click on finish. Here you will have to select the operating system version. My is Windows 10 and the printer connection type USB, and the select model number series, printer series. So your series is XP80C. C means cutter, remark C means item with cutter, and you can select this option set default printer and click on install. The printer has been installed, so please click on yes. You need to select the port where your printer is connected right now. I recommend you to select USB 001 if your printer is connected to through the USB cable. Click on apply and OK. To check the printer is installed or not, please go to start menu and click on settings. Go to the printers page actually. Click on devices. In the printers page, click on this printer and scanner icon. The printer should be listed, this one. You can rename your printer by clicking on that, clicking on the manage and go to printer properties. Here you can change the model number of your printer. Xprinter XP C260K and click on OK. It is renamed. So this is how you can install this Xprinter XP C260K and C230K printer on your computer. So if you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.